Hello everybody, my name is Jack. I've been playing guitar since roughly 1967. And I'll never forget that when Buffalo Springfield came out with For What It's Worth, the chords were not hard to figure out, but there was one spot that was always in question because there was too much going on and it went by too quick, and at the time all we had was a 45 RPM Victrola with a stupid arm with a needle and go back and forth 100 times till you wore out the record. So I've seen a lot of people play it as okay. I'm going to argue today that that is incorrect. The reason being is I found, just by accident, somebody posted a deconstruction of that song. So I broke it down into parts and split it left channel and right channel. And I've prepared for you 4-second snippets of the left channel and the right channel. Now, obviously, one guitar player is playing one thing and one guitar is playing another thing. But anyway, they're playing completely different parts. And the reason why we can't make out what they're playing is because everything is stacked. You got the bass playing more than one note, meaning one note after another, within that 4-second time. The two guitar players are playing two opposing chord structures. And C, the chord C, has nothing to do with it. So I'm going to play it for you, and then I'm going to let you hear it for yourself, and you can make up your own mind. So one guitar player is going, then the other guitar is going, plucking, it sounds like he's plucking notes, like plucks the low E string, the D string, and then he plays fifths. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play for you the left channel, 4 seconds worth, and all it is that spot, that very last spot before it goes right back into the verse spot. Okay, so. Open D, open D, fifths A, E, and so what he's playing is open D, and then okay, now let's hear what the other guitar player is playing. So D, A, A7, D, A, A7. Okay, so what I'm hearing there, and don't forget, this is done from a stem separator software, which they're pretty cool, but they're not 100%. So there could be crosstalk from one stem to another, because sometimes if you listen to it, it sounds like he's playing a B flat diminished 7. So but that could be the crossover from the other guitar player playing the B flat on the A string. You know, where I showed you he's doing. Okay. probably A7. So anyway, in the end, you can make up your own mind, but this is what I hear, and the stem separation really helps, and I think it does put this to rest, that there's no C in there. I've actually even seen some people play it as, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. You know, to an E chord. Not right. Definitely not right. I would argue that it's not right. Okay, that's my opinion, based upon what I have here, and I will supply you with those clips. Anyway, so I hope that I was clear, and that you got something out of this, and your thoughts may vary, and you're welcome to post it. Hey, thanks for listening.